Hi, I'm Elise Humes with Evolv AI, and I'm here to walk you through a continuous optimization project. This, in particular, project is running, as you can see, on the upper funnel, meaning anywhere up until the conversion event of add to cart. So we have the home page, any product listing pages, and product detail pages within this project. The audience here is targeting all visitors. However, we can filter our results by anything that's already built out within the schema. Our conversion event, or our primary KPI that the AI is using to optimize towards, is add to cart. Again, we can filter by any event we have built here, as well as a conversion value. So if we wanted to see what the checkout value was or the cart value, we can filter results by that, or our offline event we have set up here. This project has been live since October. We're running on 8 months. We're obviously live, we can pause, we can end, and we're in the optimization phase, meaning we have the AI making decisions for us, building those user experiences based on the variants we have available. Within the overview here, a realized performance, that's essentially the cost to testing, our relative gain or loss incurred during the current version of this project. So we have a 5.5% realized performance. You're able to hover over any of these graphs to see the daily performance or daily snapshot. Our estimated value impact, it's based on an average conversion value of what you set at the beginning of the project at the start. Within this project, we are attributing $1 to any add to cart event, but that's all customizable. Our total unique sessions here, you can see on a daily basis as well. We have a little over 3 million over the past 8 months. And our experimentation summary indicates how many possible user experiences could be generated within this project out of the live variables and variants. So almost 2.5 million possible combinations we have live. Our latest experimentation. So these are our active user experiences and the expected range of performance. So if you click or hover, you're able to see what ideas are live within these user experiences or combinations. You can see your probability to beat control, 95% or higher being statistically significant, your conversion rate for that user experience, and the expected range of performance or credible interval. The filled in dot on the right indicates that idea, that specific variant has reached 95% or higher probability to beat control or statistical significance. So we'll move down to the overall active combination performance. Again, you can hover over any in particular day to see the relative lift or change from control. These are representative of all user experiences that are live throughout the life of the project. You can look at the different phases. We're currently looking at the optimization phase, or the AI kicks in, right, makes those decisions for us. The initialization phase is the phase in which we start the project to get the baseline of performance for control and the ideas that you started the project with, or you can look at all phases here. Below that, we have our daily sessions and converted sessions. Below Here we have our conversion rates for both non-control combinations, so any user that has been bucketed into an experience generated by the AI, and control, and then the total as well. So let's take a look at the ideas that are live within the project. You are able to generate ideas specific to any page or flow. You can personalize any experience or any set of experiences on separate pages or one single context. It's all very customizable. It's a true personalization tool. And you can view within this tab the probability that an idea will be seen. And the gist of this here is that better performers will be shown to more traffic, and your poor performers will be sent to less traffic. Once the AI deems an idea has been tested enough times, it will turn it off if it no longer finds it necessary to be tested. Again, we have a statistically significant idea here. You can click into those and see those credible intervals. You can see the sessions that idea has seen, this one being around 28,000 sessions have seen it. Your probability to be seen around 40%. It's operating currently at about a 10% lift over control, with your credible interval ranging between 4 to 17%. And we're at StatSig over here. And down below, you're able to see the performance of all of your ideas down below. Again, you can filter by any audience that you've built out, any conversion event here as well. So let's take a look at where these ideas live live in user experiences. We have a set of combinations or user experiences with sufficient traffic for consistent results. You're able to see here the probability to beat control, your sessions that have seen this user experience, the converted sessions, and your credible interval. If you had a variant you were most interested in, you can filter these user experiences by any in particular variant. It's indicated with the purple teardrop. Down below are inactive combinations. So these were the combinations or user experiences that have been ruled out, meaning the AI is serving up the best possible experience in real time and turning off user experiences that are regressing. So let's take a look at one that's been around for a while. Combination 67 has been live since November 8th. So again, if you hover on the daily performance here, we're seeing a fairly healthy relative lift. You're able to filter by a date range. We can take a look at daily performance and include control within that. We have our conversion rate, our daily performance in terms of sessions and converted sessions. We can take a look at the sessions for this combination as well as control and the attributed conversion rates as well. And at the bottom, we have which ideas are live within this in particular user experience. And that's indicated with a credible interval. You're also able to preview this user experience either within the web editor or within the browser, a live browser as well. You can toggle between user experiences within this tab. And lastly, the activity tab. This just gives a good idea of the project activity in terms of what's been generated by the AI, what's been deactivated by the system. It'll tell you when it happened and why. It'll also tell you when something was changed within the project. In this particular instance, we're looking at a new idea that was launched, an update that happened, whether or not the project was paused, by who, and so on. So any change that took place, you can also see the particular changes that were made within the code here as well. And that about sums it up. Thank you so much for watching. Shoot us any questions over that you might have. Thanks.